back out here in El Paso with the rental property. Um, got in, found out that the water heaters busted and are not working, so ended up picking this Reem Performance RTX 27 kilowatt. It goes off of 340 amp fuses, and here's the SKU and the QR code if you're interested in buying, checking it out, getting some more information. It's about $505 for the tank, and of course I installed it all myself. The area is already open, luckily, so you can see that this is where the water leakage ended up happening. And so there's the old tank. There we go. There's the old tank, and got it out. I went ahead and left the other tank in place. Trying to hurry up and get over here. There's the other tank. Tankless water heater, electric as well. And you can kind of see where the new electric tankless water heater is. And that's it. Just wanted to show you this. Of course, I've got valves. You can see a valve right there, another valve right here to turn off my water heaters just in case there's a leak. Came in very handy. So that's it. Tankless water heater for electric is in and running. I have it set for 135 degrees as it runs, and makes it a little bit safer for the kids, and still hot enough to get a good hot shower going. Thanks. Bye.